In the last class, we completed with the purchasing news and smart forms also we completed. We have assigned smart form to the content zone. And with the combination of smart forms, we completed with the information templates also. While creating the requisition through smart form, we collect extra information through information descriptive flexible fields. That also we completed. And totally 3 types of catalogs are there, out of which we discussed about information catalog. So information catalogs, inside this catalog, we can insert documentations. We can insert documentation. So this is an information for all the business users, could be related to our purchasing policy or company terms and conditions. Okay. And how to interact with the supplier and how to buy purchasing policies. Okay. All those documentations, we can put it under information catalog. Okay. Today we'll finish discussing the local cataloging. Today we'll finish discussing the local catalog. Okay, very, very important topic. Local catalog, very, very important topic. So for the local catalog, I'm thinking of creating the structure. Under that Oracle, SAP. So this is a browsing category, and this is item category. Okay. I'll be creating 2 item categories. I'll be creating 2 item categories and 1 browsing category. Under the item category, I'm going to define these 2 items. And here also, I'm going to define these 2 items. Okay. So first of all, we have to create item categories. So we can create item categories from the product management and product information management. Everyone with me?
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
So I'm clicking on the manage catalogs. And I wanted to pick up the catalog, which is assigned to procurement module. Is there any category that is assigned to the, no, right? Yeah. So to the purchasing, this is a catalog that is assigned. Under that catalog, I'm gonna create item categories. I'm gonna create item categories. I'm creating like this. So I just created two item categories. Under those two item categories, I would like to create couple of items. I would like to create couple of items. I'm entering the master ordination. I'm selecting the template. First, I'm creating two items. And from the specifications, under the purchasing, I'm entering the default price as 1. Okay. And from the association, I wanted to assign to the inventory order. So coming to the categories, they got automatically defaulted once you save it. I'm creating one more item. From the overview, enter the unit of measure. Enter the default purchase price. I'm entering 1 only. From the association, assign to the inventory order. Click on save. After saving, the categories get defaulted. So under the purchasing, I would like to select the Oracle category. Oracle. So we have two items. For both the items, I wanted to put under these two items. We want to put under which category? Oracle category.
Oracle.
Under categories. So this I have already assigned Oracle category. I wanted to cross check the same got defaulted to the inventory org or not. At the inventory org level also. Under the category, same got defaulted. Now for the SCM. Now we have to create two more items. Okay. Let's create two more items. To save time, I'll go with just one item. SD. After saving, under the category, change it to SA. Okay. Now we are yet to create browsing category, right? We create item categories and we create the item also. We have to create browsing category. Okay. Now I want to create agreement also. I want to create agreement also. From the procurement, I'm clicking on purchase agreements. I'm creating an agreement now. So for creating an agreement, I would like to create one more extra category here. I would like to create one more extra category here, others. Why I'm creating, I'll understand shortly. I'm clicking on product information management. From the task list, main is catalogs. When I press down arrow, it's not going down. Yeah, I need to wait.
Sir, use a date filter.
I just created one more category. Now I'm creating an agreement team. Give me a moment. Okay. Now here at the agreement level, I'm adding the item and automatically category get defaulted from the item. And price I am entering. Taking one more line. This time I'm adding the instance cost. This I'm putting under others. Okay, I'm trying to cover different scenarios. Okay, team, if you see, for this category, did I create any item? For this item category? No. No, right?
No.
Okay. For this item category, I have added the description under the agreement itself. Okay. Now, agreement effectivity dates. Just enter some amount. Save it. Manage approvals. Okay. Now let us get into the actual setups. Now we'll create a browsing category. After that, we'll create a local category. So we have to make sure we enable it as a featured category. And then this local category assigned to the content zone. assign to the content zone. The local category we need to assign to the content zone. So we configure these setups under procurement catalog area. Under the procurement, click on catalogs. From the Minis catalogs category hierarchy, here I'm going to create a browsing category. Browsing category, it will help us to navigate to the actual item categories. Okay, or maybe I can name like all trainings. All trainings. Okay. So there is a, for some of the, okay. These are also browsing categories only. Okay. For this browsing category, there is an image available. Okay. For us, we have not added any image. For this also seems to be image available. Which is image is there? This is the image. Okay. Okay, so we not have any image available. Okay, let's navigate to our browsing category. What is the problem? Problem with my laptop, or after some extent I could not able to scroll down to the page objects. When I press down arrow, can you please check? Are you able to scroll down?
Yeah, it's checking.
Working for you?
No, checking opening.
Or I'll create a category starts with some hash, maybe so that it will display on the starting. Okay, team.
Okay, sir.
Some problem with my Lappy, I think. Maybe is it displaying now? Let me reopen.
It's working for me.
Yeah,
It's due to browser because on the right hand side there are two scrollers.
here also scroller.
Yeah,
Now that scroller is not displaying for me, maybe.
yeah, yeah. Browser compatibility issue.
Hmm. You are correct. I'm opening in the edge now. From the procurement catalogs, moving to the catalog category hierarchy, and you're talking about this one, right?
Yeah, correct. 2.
So I just created one more browsing category, starts with 66. I expected that should be displayed on the top of the area because it starts with number, but it's not showing up. Where is it also? Okay. So this is what we created, the first one, TLI all trainings. Okay. I'm making it as featured category. If you make it as a featured category, then only it will be displayed on the Responsive Self Service Procurement homepage. Okay, you have to make it as a featured category and insert the item categories. Under that, you insert the item category. Select that browsing category. We have totally 3 item categories, right? All of them I'm inserting. All of them I inserted. Okay, and make it as a featured category. Okay, team. You see the symbol also. This is a kind of a briefcase symbol, and this is kind of a book symbol. Huh?
Yeah.
These 3 are item categories. This is browsing category. Make sure you enabled as a featured category and then click on done. Now let us create a local catalog. We just created a browsing category and we enabled a featured category. Insert item categories under browsing category. Next, local category. Local catalog. Not category, it's local catalog. I'm going to create a local catalog now. So from here, you can create 3 types of catalogs: informational, punchout, local. I'm creating local catalog now. Give the catalog name. And do you want to include items from all the agreements? No. Include items from a specific agreement. What is the agreement that we created? A recent agreement.
20 cents.
What?
A20.
Please include to display items from this agreement and also include all the master items which are not part of the agreement also. Which are not part of the agreement also. So is this item part of the agreement? Is this item part of the agreement? Huh? Only this is part of the agreement. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Priya, please respond. Only this is very, very important topic. All topics you are silent, quiet.
Yes, sir.
Only this is added in the agreement, not this one. Not this one. Okay. So if I enable this checkbox, this catalog is going to display. This catalog is going to display all the items that are not
Master.
part of the agreement also. It is displaying everything as part of this agreement also. Okay. and include items from specific catalog. So not all catalogs, specific catalogs only. I'm selecting that catalog here. I'm selecting that catalog here. Nothing but in this catalog, what need to be displayed, we are actually defining here. And assign this to the content zone. I'm opening the content zone. I'm assigning this to the content zone. Okay. That's it. These are the configurations. Now I'm expecting this is going to be displayed under from the procurement, purchase requisitions, new. Scroll down. Okay. So this is a browsing category. This browsing category contains item categories. Okay. I'm clicking on that browsing category. Okay. Under that, we have all these getting displayed. We have all these getting displayed. Okay. Suppose if your users wants to request something, it is very easy for the users to quickly request from here. Okay. And here, if you observe, under Oracle, we have two items. We have two items. Item level also we entered price, right?
Yes.
Item level, how much we entered?
Yes, sir.
1. But here for SCM, which price is it has taken? Agreement level price, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what I wanted to cover here is agreement level price is the precedence here, not item level. Okay.
Yeah.
And under this browsing catalog, not only items that are assigned to the category, I'm also displaying other than items also. Here you can see. Here, if you observe, instance cost, is it an item? Is it an item?
No.
No, right? I have added this description under the agreement. Learning portal, it is an item? No, I have added this description under the agreement. Okay. Suppose if the business user wants to request, they can select here. Okay. If they want supply chain training, followed by the instance cost, followed by the learning portal access, they can select here. They can click on add to cart. They can click on add to cart. You need to wait. Okay. You need to wait till it get added.
Kind of bullock cart.
Okay. So now for this requisition, total 37,000 is the cost. Now because supply chain is 30,000, instance cost, learning portal access 5,000 and 2,000. So click on submit the requisition. So local catalog is nothing but you are going to create a catalog only once, and business users are able to quickly navigate to that catalog they're able to quickly navigate to the catalog to request for the items, right? But what is punchout catalog? Punchout catalog is we are going to the supplier website. We are
Yes, sir.
selecting the product from the supplier website. But in case of local catalog, we are selecting in-house. I mean, from our local catalog only we are selecting here. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Krishna.
If you select card view, this is how it displays. Okay. We can also insert the images also. But for that we need image URL. Okay. So we can pick up the image URLs from the we'll pick up the image URLs. Okay. You can also open the demo instance also. Let me open the demo instance as well. Now both the demo instances are working, team. Both are working.
Not sure because I'm working on it's non-refreshing instance.
If you people are not practicing, means you are wasting a lot of your time.
Using non-refresh instance.
Amit, I heard you. It's not pointing you. So I want images. So for the images, I came to the demo instance. Okay. Under the demo instance, I would like to open. This is example of beautiful example of local catalog in the demo instance. These two, Office Technologies and Office Supplies. Okay. If I go to Office Technology, under that you can see all the products here. Software policies, wireless Bluetooth. So these images are coming from the agreement. For the images are coming from the agreement, you should have an agreement. So for these images, I came here, and also I wanted to show you how, because in the demo instance, lot of data is there, demo data is there, lot of categories are there. Okay, so don't think these are all items, these are all descriptions only. Some of them are descriptions from the category. Okay, I'll pick up this one, this image. So this image, it is coming from the agreement. Okay, I'm gonna open the agreement. From the agreement, I'm gonna take the image URL. Otherwise, you have to upload images in the server. You can ask your client to upload the images in their server. Okay, during the real time, the product images they can upload in their server. but here we have not uploaded in the server, so I'm using the existing agreements that are already available in the Oracle server. I'm opening the agreement. Under that, what is the product? Manual, right? I'm opening this product. Manual. Okay, so here is the image. This is the image thing. Okay, I'm copying that image. This image, let us add under our agreement. Okay. I'm navigating to purchase agreements. Under the task list, I'm opening our agreement. Agreement number 20. A20. I'm editing the agreement. It will result in the change order creation. Change order initiated by buyer in the agreement level. Change order description. And this I'm gonna update for the supply chain. So here you see, if you scroll down, do you see image URL here? Enter here and save it. I'm gonna submit it for the approval. Okay, what I'm expecting the image should be displayed here, right? I'm expecting that.
Yes, sir.
Once the agreement is completed, that will happen. Okay, we can see the image here. Any questions, team? This is a this is a structure I have built. This is the structure I have built for the local catalog. Okay. What I have initially done, if I break down into steps, what I have done, I have created. First, what I have created item categories, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Under created items under that respective
Item category.
item category. Create item categories under purchasing catalog. Okay, you have to create under purchasing catalog and create items under that respective item category. And later I created the agreement. I've created the agreement. Okay, followed by browsing category and insert item categories to the browsing category. And the local catalog I created. I assigned local catalog to the content zone. Okay. Okay. You see here the image, huh?
Yes, sir.
There are actually two types of images are there here. One is thumbnail image. Thumbnail is something which will be displayed here. And when you click on that, it will display the full image. So at the agreement level, okay, if I open the agreement at the agreement level, you can put the thumbnail image and you can put the image URL also. Both you can put. So here I entered the image URL, right? Here you can enter the thumbnail image. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And also you can insert the image for the local catalog also. This is basically browsing category. Let me come to the home page. So here, whatever you see, this is browsing category, right? For the browsing category, you can put logo like this, image like this for the browsing category also. Okay. Where we can insert the logo or image for this, we can insert here. If you open the browsing catalog category hierarchy, so for this image is there. Or maybe we can steal that image. Some image is there. Okay, I steal that image and I copied it. Now I'm thinking to assign to getting. Okay, it should display here the image. We will reopen the page. From the procurement, purchase requisitions menu. It's not loading. Maybe the image URL is not working. Okay. Image URL may be not working thing. You understood the process, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, any questions before I move to punch out catalog?
Krishna. Initially also we created some catalogs, right? So we can assign them and use it as well, right? We
Yeah,
don't have
you
to
can
create.
use existing also. Yeah, just the reason for creating from the starting is so that you can understand betterly. Okay. That's why I created from the starting. You can use existing item categories that you already created, not a problem. Existing items also you can create. You can use existing items also. Okay, team.
Yes, Krishna.
So we have to collect the below details from the supplier in case of supplier punch out catalog, supplier punch out URL, and passcode, and the unique identification number, and also login also. We need login also. Login to supplier website. So we need basically all these details. Okay. when you have all these details, first of all, you have to create a mapping set. You have to create a mapping set. And under the mapping set, we have to create a punch-out catalog after that. What is actually mapping set? Mapping set is nothing but mapping our categories and UOMs with supplier categories and UOMs. Okay. Nothing but example. Maybe from our side, our category name is like this, electronics. Maybe supplier, maybe just this much only. Maybe this much only. If you take Amazon, suppose if you are mapping with Amazon website, then they have the item categories like this. They use codes. Amazon uses the codes. Okay. And suppose coming to unit of measure, maybe you are using like this, but your supplier may be using the unit of measure like this. Both are same, right? Both are same. But for the system, it's going to consider it as a different if you don't do the mapping. If you don't do the mapping, system will consider two separate values, this one, because not matching, right? So we have to create a mapping set and then followed by punch-out catalog we need to create. So as I mentioned, this is, I can't able to practically demonstrate in the application by configuring it. I'll give you overview by showing the setup in the demo instance. In the demo instance, Oracle provided two punch-out catalogs. In the demo instance, Oracle provided two punch-out catalogs. So if you see Amazon, and if you see, yeah, Amazon is one thing. Amazon is one thing, and then CDW. There is one more which is not displaying here because it is not enabled as a featured category. That's what is not displaying here. Only featured categories are displayed here. Amazon is one thing and CDW is one more thing. Okay, two sample punch-out catalogs are given by Oracle. Okay, this Amazon one we discussed already in the day before yesterday's session, right? I think I have shown you, right, how to click on that and how to go to the Amazon website, how to select the product and how to come back.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
So you are aware of what is punch-out catalog. Then I'll show you the configuration thing. Configuration part we'll discuss now. So this is Amazon website. From the Amazon website, you can select the product. From the procurement, navigating to catalogs. From the task list, click on menus catalogs. I would like to see only punch out. Select punch out and click on search. So totally I see how many here? Punch out. Totally Oracle provided 3. Something called Dell Computer, CDW and Amazon. But what is showing there on the home page? Only Amazon is showing. Okay, it's because of the featured category. I'm opening the Amazon catalog setup. So this is name. You can enter any name and then description and then keywords, image URL. Okay. Your supplier should be created in the system. Enter the supplier name. I'm talking about this one, supplier ID. What we need unique identification number. This is nothing but supplier ID. And we need punchout URL. We need supplier punchout URL, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
we need password, nothing but passcode. Maybe you'll confuse if I put password. So password. Okay, we have to put supplier punchout URL. We have to put the password for that website. And then we have to put supplier ID here. And then this is our company domain name, domain identity. This is given by your client. Your client will give you this one. So when you have these details, it's very easy to create here. Okay. All prices are negotiated and allow price override on the purchase order. If the checkbox is enabled, the punch-out requisition purchase orders price can be changed. Because after punch-out requisition, we convert into purchase order, right? That purchase order price can be updated. Okay, and this is a browsing category. This is the browsing category. At the browsing category level, we'll enable as a featured category, right? Only that featured category will be displayed on the home page. It's very simple, team. Okay, punch-out catalog is very simple. So where do we create a mapping set? First of all, we need to create a mapping set. Without mapping set, you're not able to save the punch-out catalog setup. Where we create a mapping set we create here. Under the task list, if you click on supplier content mapping set. So here is a mapping set that created. Okay, so here using the ADFDI, you're able to map our UMs with the supplier UOM and our categories with the supplier categories. So this is ADFDI. Using ADFDI only, you're able to map. I'm connecting to the ADFDI team. But not able to see the login screen. There should be a login screen. Enable editing. And, okay. So recently I changed my laptop. So I had to install ADFDI in my laptop. Okay, so that's why ADFDI is not available in my laptop. I had to install it. So under the mapping set, we do the mapping between our UM with the supplier UM, our category with the supplier category. And then we have to create a browsing this one. Here you see Amazon, right? This is a featured category or not? Huh? This is featured category, right?
Yes.
CW is a featured category? No,
No.
that's what is not displaying over there. Okay. What are the setups? What are the setups, team? Create browsing category, right?
Yes, sir.
Create browsing category. and mark that one as a
Sure.
featured category. And after that, you have to create the next step in the sequence. What's the next step in the sequence? What's the next step in the sequence? Create a browsing category. After that, create a mapping set. After the mapping set created, create a punchout catalog. Create a punchout catalog. That's a sequence. Create a punchout catalog. To the punchout catalog, you assign the mapping set. You assign the browsing category. Okay. First of all, what you should do, you have to create a browsing category. You have to create a mapping set. These two need to be assigned during the punchout catalog creation, right?
Yes.
Yes,
During
sir.
the this is a
Yes, sir.
punchout catalog page. Under that, you need to enter all the details here and assign a mapping set and assign a punchout catalog. Sorry, this one, browsing category. And after this, assign this to the content zone. This is the configuration. Assign to the content zone. That's it. This is punchout catalog. These are the configurations. These four are the setups. But before you create a punchout catalog, what you need supplier punchout URL and password and supplier unique identification number. And we need login also, because the moment you're redirecting to the supplier website, it will ask you to enter the login. Suppose if you're directly entering into the Amazon website, it will ask you to sign up, right? It will ask you to log in. Similarly, for the supplier website, you need a login details to enter into the supplier website. Okay. So that's about responsive self-service procurement. Any questions, please? Tomorrow we'll discuss procurement contracts. Procurement contracts max it will take 1.5 hour session. Responsive self-service procurement, important module. Purchasing is also important module. Don't take these two modules as an optional. These two modules are very, very important. Okay. I'm sharing this notepad with all of you team. Okay. Please download.
Yes.
Any questions, please?
No, sir.
Are you able to download?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Chandra, your batch number is 66, right?
Yes.
I covered costing for 66 already. Thank you all. See you tomorrow for the procurement contracts module.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Bye.
Same time, sir, right?
Same time, sir.
Okay, sir,
Thank you all.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.